Alright guys, check this out. I got this on sale at the local grocery store. This is Coconut Bliss, raspberry acai and chocolate, plant-based. As you can see, this was on sale. So you got gluten-free, vegan. Here's the side panel because I'm going to read it. Pause the video. It does have 12 grams of sugar, which is a lot per bar. But there's only 3 bars in this box, so it's kind of pricey. Here's the ingredients. You got coconut milk, guar gum as their thickening agent. You got chocolate, dark chocolate. Yeah. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, this is what it looks like. Check that out. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so there it is. You guys want to see what it looks like? Let's do a quick taste test. You get some of the berry smell, but the majority of this is chocolate. And it's not the sweet chocolate, it is like dark chocolate, like bitter dark chocolate. So it isn't the greatest. It is kind of bitter. So definitely check it out if you're curious about it. But if you have any questions, comments below, subscribe to the channel. The berry comes out very subtle.